Hi to Johan. Through this video, I will teach you the differences between the basic needs for seeds to germinate and basic needs for plants to grow. Okay, teacher akan ajar awak beza antara keperluan asas untuk biji benih bercambah dan keperluan asas untuk tumbuhan membesar. Okey, ada beza antara biji benih dan tumbuhan yang dah tumbuh. Keperluan asas dia berbeza. Okay, for an example, for seeds, basic needs for seeds, you know there are 3 basic needs. 1, air, 2, water, and 3, suitable temperature. Okay, but for plants that already grow, they have leaves, right? Dia dah ada daun. So, it needs more than air and water. Okay, plants no longer need suitable temperature, but they need sunlight. Okay, pokok yang dah tumbuh, dia dah tak perlukan lagi dah suitable temperature. Tapi, dia memerlukan cahaya matahari. Sama juga macam biji benih, udara dan air masih lagi keperluan asas. Udara, air, tapi cuma dia ada tambahan cahaya matahari. Okay, how about fertilizer? Okay, fertilizer ni adalah baja. Okay, baja tetap diperlukan oleh tumbuhan. But, fertilizer is not basic needs. Okay, baja bukan keperluan asas. Kalau dia tak ada pun, pokok masih boleh tumbuh. Okay, boleh tumbuh macam biasa. But, fertilizer is needed to help the growth. Baja diperlukan untuk membantu pertumbuhan. Okay, bila ada baja, pokok tu akan lebih sihat dan tumbuh dengan lebih baik. Tapi kena ingat, dia diperlukan, tapi dia bukan keperluan asas. Fertilizer is not basic needs. Okay, it is just needed as usual. Okay, to help you with the task, okay, investigation on observing the basic needs of plant. Okay, kita nak menguji atau kita nak buat kajian pemerhatian terhadap keperluan asas pokok. Okay, there are 2 plants, plant A and plant B. It is placed outside the classroom. Kedua-dua pokok ni, A dan B, diletakkan di luar kelas. Okay, bila di luar kelas, apa keyword dekat situ? Di luar, mestilah ada apa? Sunlight. Automatically mesti ada cahaya matahari. Betul tak? Okay, jadi tadi dah memenuhi salah satu keperluan asas pokok. See? Sunlight. Okay, sunlight ada outside classroom. Okay, the next one. And another one, besides sunlight, there will also be air. Kan? Luar kelas, mestilah selain ada cahaya matahari, mestilah ada udara. So, udara pun ada. Okay. Teruskan lagi. Water plant A every day. Siram pokok A setiap hari. Oh, itu beza dia. Letak dekat luar bilik darjah. Pokok A siram setiap hari. Pokok B tak siram langsung. Okay? Okay, let's see. This is for the first day. See, both plant is healthy. Both have 4 leaves. Both of it. But, after 7th day, selepas hari ke-7 di luar kelas, plant A that watered every day grow much better than plant B. Pokok A yang disiram setiap hari membesar dengan lebih baik berbanding pokok B. Bahkan pokok B menjadi layu. Plant B has become wilted. Wilted adalah layu. Okay, wilted. Telah layu. Okay, let's see the question. Complete the table with your observation on the number of leaves after 7 days. Lengkapkan jadual di bawah dengan melalui pemerhatian anda terhadap bilangan daun selepas 7 hari. Oh, maksudnya dia suruh kamu kira daun. You have to count the leaves. Okay. As you can see, plant A, from the first day, there are 4 leaves. So, it has been written down for you. Okay, now you have to write for the numbers of leaves for 7 day. Okay, you count. How many leaves on 7 day for plant A? Plant A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, plant A watered for 7 day. The number of leaves are 8. Is that correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. So, how about plant B? Plant B is not watered. How many leaves? 1, 2. So, there are only 2 leaves for plant B. Okay. So, you can see, once it does not receive sufficient basic needs for plants, as you can see, plant B didn't have sufficient water. So, it will not grow perfectly. Okay, next question. Okay, which plant grows better? Why? Okay, mana satu pokok yang tumbuh dengan lebih baik? Kenapa? Okay, kalau dia tanya pokok mana yang tumbuh dengan lebih baik, kamu kena pilih mana satu pokok. Okay, plant, blank space. Okay, you have to choose between A and B. Which plant grows better? Plant A, right? So you put here plant A. Okay, because you have to write the reason. Okay, kalau dalam bahasa Melayu, kalau susah bahasa Inggeris, kamu fikirkan dulu dalam bahasa Melayu, apa ayat yang awak nak buat, nak terangkan bagaimana pokok tu menerima kesemua keperluan asas dengan cukup. Mestilah kamu akan fikirkan kerana ia menerima semua keperluan asas dengan cukup. Jadi, okay, it's okay, I can help you. Okay, because plant A, because it gets, ia menerima sufficient. Okay, sufficient ni cukup. Ia menerima cukup basic needs. Okay, plant A because it gets sufficient basic needs. Pokok A kerana ia menerima keperluan asas yang cukup. Okey, itu sahaja pun cukup untuk jawapan kamu. Okey, sebab dekat bawah ni dia akan tanya sekali lagi. Okey, complete the statement below. Blank space, and blank space are the basic needs for a plant's growth. Okey, tadi kan kita dah cerita pasal keperluan asas kan? So, what are the basic needs for plants growth? Air, water, sunlight. So you put here. So the basic needs for a plant's growth are air, water, and sunlight. That's all. Okay, for the next page. Okay, my cucumber plant. Alright. Ni memang sangat menepati apa yang teacher ajar tadi. Perbezaan antara keperluan asas biji benih dan tumbuhan. Antara biji benih yang belum tumbuh dan beza di antara pokok yang memang dah betul-betul tumbuh. Apa beza keperluan asas dia? Okay. Write the basic needs for cucumber seeds to germinate and grow well. Okay. Tuliskan keperluan asas untuk biji benih timun untuk bercambah dan bertumbuh dengan baik. Okay, grow well. The cucumber seed will germinate. Biji benih timun akan bercambah jika it is removed, ia dikeluarkan from the plastic, dari plastik bag, because seeds need, kerana biji benih memerlukan. Okay, bila kita keluarkan daripada plastik, apa yang biji benih tu akan dapat dulu? Dah tentunya udara. So it will get air first. Okay, the first basic needs that the seed will receive is air. Then next, seeds also need, biji benih juga memerlukan. Okay, you have already see the keyword here. This is obviously water. And suitable, this one, temperature. Air, water, suitable temperature. Seeds, air, water, suitable temperature. Okay, now plants. Air, water, sunlight. Okay, see? Cucumber plant. After it germinates, selepas ia bercambah, the young cucumber plant needs air. Pokok timun muda memerlukan udara. And this one, water. Right? You know this, right? Okay, water. And what's this? Sunlight. Okay, for growth. Okay, untuk membesar. So that are the differences. Seeds need suitable temperature, but plants need sunlight. And the young cucumber plant also needs, tumbuhan pokok muda timun juga memerlukan, what is this? Fertilizer, just like what I've said to you. Okay, it is not basic needs. Ia bukan keperluan asas, tapi masih diperlukan oleh pokok. Okay, so you just read the fertilizer here. Okay, I hope you understand. In case you don't understand, you can text me and I will explain it again to you. Okay, thank you.